everyone, welcome back to another episode of Speed Champions Lego build. Yes, I am all dressed up today in a racing suit for a very special car today. We have the Koenigsegg Jesko. This is a Swedish hypercar that's a V8 twin turbo. It's capable of 1200 horsepower, so definitely not your everyday race car. I am so excited to build this, so how about you watch me build it? Hey guys, so did you enjoy the build? Here is the final product. There she is, the Koenigsegg Jesko. I have to say I really enjoy this build. It's one of my favorite models from the Speed Champion series. It just has so many layers of interesting builds from the chassis all the way to the top. And I just loved all the intricate details from this replica, from the black white front lip to the flexible hood that you can go up and down, to the transparent top that houses two people's cockpit, and to the side it has even the blue and yellow and the green accent of the side skirt. And the back, look at this, the huge black arrow of a spoiler that sits on top of a funky exhaust. From every angle, I'm just so impressed by this build, complete with all the Jesko stickers and details and the emblem. I love it. I hope you guys did as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more of these builds, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. See you guys next time. Bye!